What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, man. King Leado. Today I'm gonna show you guys a quick video. Reason why I always tell you guys, always, especially the ladies, always check your car, man, especially when you park somewhere. So I just parked my car here and come in here. Look what I found. Something is leaking. Okay, look, kind of come down here. Supposed to drip, but if you guys see, somewhere down there. So, but I'm pretty sure it's the coolant. Okay, I'm gonna check the coolant, but I'm pretty sure it's the coolant because the coolant been doing that. It's been dripping, man. So I guess I gotta take that shit more serious. That's the coolant over there, but it's dripping somewhere. Okay, it's dripping somewhere here, but I don't know. I don't know if it's the coolant reservoir or if it's the cap. I don't think it's the cap, so I might have to check it. Okay, I have to check it. Oh, it might be the radiator. I don't know, but I might have to check it. So yep, so if you guys have an idea of what might cause that, what might be cracking, I don't know, something might be cracked, might be a hole somewhere. If you guys have an idea, let me know. All right, let me know in the comment section. And like I said, I'm gonna have to go to a mechanic so I can have them check it, because I can't keep doing that. Can't keep doing that. It's been doing that for a while now, but I kind of like ignoring it. So I'm guessing before it become like a bigger problem, I have to go to a mechanic with it. If you guys have an idea, let me know in the comment section. All right, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. I'm out, man. I'm out.